Hello friends, warm welcome to all of you. Today we will see important conversion related to slope and deflection method. So important conversion, note sometimes the load on the beam is given in kilonewton, okay, and the span in meter, but capital E is given in Newton per mm square. So capital E means modulus of elasticity and capital I is in mm raised to 4. I means moment of inertia. In such case, it is necessary to take in capital E means modulus of elasticity is in kilonewton per meter square and moment of inertia is in meter raised to 4. So formula solution, first note, suppose 1 Newton per mm square is equal to 1 Newton per mm square is equal to, what is the value of 1 Newton? 1 Newton means 10 to the power minus 3 kilonewton, okay, and 1 mm square means 10 to the power minus 3 meter square, okay. So we have to write 1 Newton per mm square is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 kilonewton divided by 10 to the power minus 3 meter whole square. So 10 to the power minus 3 as it is into multiply by 10 to the power 6, 3 into 2 minus 6. So a dividation, then multiply by into 10 to the power 6 plus 6, okay, kilonewton per meter square. Then 10 cube, 6 minus 3, 3. So 10 cube kilonewton per meter square. So we have to write 1 Newton per mm square is equal to 10 to the power 3 kilonewton per meter square, okay. For example, capital E is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per mm square. So 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per mm square convert kilonewton per meter square. So first of all 10 cube, okay, 1 Newton per mm square is equal to 10 cube kilonewton per meter square. So multiply by 2 into 10 to the power 5 multiply by 10 cube. Then we get 2 into 10 to the power 8 kilonewton per meter square. Okay, this is the first conversion. Second conversion, 1 mm raised to 4. Mm raised to 4 is the SI unit of moment of inertia. So we have to write 1 mm raised to 4 is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 meter raised to 4, okay. So 3 into 4, 12, okay, is equal to, this is the formula, A raised to m raised to n is equal to A raised to m into n, okay. So 10 to the power minus 3 meter raised to 4 is equal to 10 to the power 3 into 4 minus as it is 12 meter raised to 4. For example, I is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 8 mm raised to 4. So convert mm raised to 4 to meter raised to 4. Then multiply by 10 to the power minus 12. So I is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 8 mm raised to 4 multiply by 10 to the power minus 12. Then we get 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter raised to 4, okay. This is the second conversion. And third is the, sometimes the value of flexural rigidity, that is EI. EI means flexural rigidity, okay. EI is the directly given unit of EI is equal to unit of E into unit of I, E into I. So unit of E kilonewton per meter square into meter raised to 4. Unit of I is the meter raised to 4. So is equal to meter square cancel. This is the meter square. So kilonewton dot meter square. So EI SI unit kilonewton meter square. Okay. So third conversion, 1 kilonewton meter square convert Newton per mm square. So 1 kilonewton is equal to 10 cube Newton, right? And 1 meter square is equal to 10 cube mm square, right? So we have to write 10 cube Newton in bracket 10 cube mm whole square, right? So 1 kilonewton meter square is equal to 10 cube Newton 10 cube mm square. Okay, 10 cube Newton, 10 cube into 10 to the power 3 into 2, 6 Newton mm square. Okay, so then we get 10 to the power 3 plus 6, 10 to the power 9 Newton mm square. Okay, or last conversion, 1 kilonewton mm square is equal to 10 cube Newton. 1 kilonewton is 10 cube Newton mm square as it is. Then we get 10 cube Newton mm square. Okay, thank you.